Hello everyone, today's video tutorial is going to be about C98 wallet extension on Mrs. So as always, the first step is to search the name of the extension in the search bar of Mrs. browser. And click the button to download it directly to your iPhone without the help of C98 extractor. And right now, it's already downloaded. We can install it on our Mrs. browser right now. Right now, we have entered C98 wallet extension. The next step is going to be about setting up your account. Please pick your password and confirm your password. And then choose which kind of wallet you want to set up. Usually we choose hard wallet. And right now, pick the blockchain you want to add to this account. Usually we choose all blockchain, multi-chains. And right now, please name your new wallet account. The next step it will review your seed recovery phrase. Please write it down, keep it safe, don't show it to everyone like what I just done. Right now you have successfully set up a new account on C98 extension on iOS version of Mrs. browser. Let's take a browse about the features of C98. This is a home page. It shows the assets you are holding and the balance you have. The next one is the internal swap of C98. And in this discovery page, you can find the different features of C98 wallet, like customized network or customized blockchains with faucets. And right now, you can check out the connected tabs of your wallet. And right here, you can change the settings of your C98 wallet extension. Okay, everyone. So this is the video tutorial of C98 wallet extension on Mrs. Have a nice day and enjoy it.